everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing the CP Confidential mystery box from ColourPop. If you guys want to know the drama with these ColourPop mystery boxes that I've been receiving and having, then keep on watching. Guys, it has not been an easy run with these ColourPop mystery boxes. I do tons and tons of makeup mystery boxes on my channel, and there's been some scandal with a couple of them, like one of my Huda Beauty ones, and Beauty Bakery. A couple of them, they did me dirty. They'll be in my playlist because I don't want to have a whole bunch of videos all in my description, but I do have a playlist of all my makeup mystery unboxings if you guys want to check that out and see the drama with some of those mystery boxes. But here I am again with another mystery box problem. Big problem that's going on with ColourPop. So I'm going to explain what was going on and fill you guys in on everything in a second. But as always, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. So welcome. My name is Ayesha. I do lots of makeup unboxings on my channel. I do makeup hauls. I do shopping hauls. Like anything beauty related you're going to see on this channel. So we're going to get into this box, but as always, if you love my video, just give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you like my content, then subscribe as well. It's greatly appreciated. And let's just get into the box. Alrighty, so like anything else couldn't go wrong. I filmed this whole video and the audio was not on. So I gotta pretend to be surprised because I already did the unboxing for this already. So I know everything I'm gonna get already for the most part, unfortunately. But I'm glad I figured it out before I threw the box out and everything else as well. Let me catch you guys up if you are just watching this video for the first time and you didn't see my first video of what was supposed to be the Mega Mystery Bundle from ColourPop. So I did my unboxing and I'm like so excited. I'm like, guys, this is my unboxing for my Mega Mystery Bundle. Now on the invoice, I ordered 2 boxes, but for some reason they sent them separately. On this invoice, it says Mega Mystery. It says Kit Mega Mystery 1. There's only one thing on here, so there's no way I get confused if it was a CP kit or a Mega Mystery Bundle. It says Mega Mystery Bundle on there. A lot of people were like,
I think you got the wrong box that you showed.
And I'm like, no, I'm pretty sure I got the right box because that's what my invoice says. And I'm like, well, I don't know. I don't watch other people's videos when they do their unboxings for mystery boxes because it's a mystery box and I want it to be a mystery. So I don't watch them until probably after, you know, I do my unboxing. Then I'm curious to see what other people got. So I'll watch afterwards, but I never watch it beforehand. That box was supposed to be a $200 value, and I counted everything up. It was actually only a $150 value, and I got only 12 items in that Mega Mystery Bundle. So clearly they made a mistake and gave me a CP Mystery Bundle because I counted everything that I got in this box and it's also 12 items. I didn't add everything up, but it's 12 items as well. So I'm guessing they just accidentally sent me a medium box. So drama with that. But then more drama because I reached out once I was getting 2-3 comments saying you said that was a mega box, but it was the CP box, a medium box. I'm like, well, maybe they're right. So I had to watch a video or two. I wanted to wait just in case I got the mega box. I wanted to be surprised, but I wanted to reach out to ColourPop before like the boxes sold out and then they didn't have a mega mystery box to send me. So I wanted to reach out to them with urgency. So I reached out to ColourPop and pretty much I said to them, you know, I'm very unhappy with, you know, ordering with ColourPop. For starters, I paid expedite shipping, which is supposed to be 2 days, and at the time when I sent that email, it was already like 10 days had passed, and I still didn't get like my CP Confidential box. I had got one box, but that box definitely came way later than 2 days. So I was upset about that. That was the first thing that I complained about. The second thing I complained about was why did I get the wrong box? Like, it says mega box on there, and I got the medium box, which was a CP Confidential. Third problem was I was just wondering, maybe they made a mistake and thought, because on the invoice it only has one thing, maybe they thought that I only ordered one thing, one mystery box instead of two. So I'm like, you guys made a mistake. I ordered 2 boxes. I only got 1. So now all of that is in one email. One email, right? This is what they respond back to me. We apologize for any confusion. Due to large sizes of mystery boxes, this item is being shipped separately from all other items in your order. You will be notified with tracking for the second shipment once it leaves the building. Which was a lie because I never got a second tracking. I only got one tracking from the first box. I never got a second tracking from them at all. So that was a lie. Okay, so I sent them all of that, and that was a response. What happened to the response about, I paid for, expedite shipping? What happened to the response about, I got a box that wasn't the box I was supposed to get? They disregarded everything, and just respond back to just that one thing. So then I emailed them again, and I'm like, how are you guys disregarding, like, everything that I'm saying in the email? I said to you, I paid for expedite shipping, which I still didn't get my second box yet. Also, what happened to my mega mystery bundle? You guys gave me the wrong box, and I was promised a $200 value, and this box was only $150 value with 12 items in it. So this needs to be addressed and corrected. They respond back, we apologize for the issue. We do our best to process expedite orders within 2 business days and trust that your order will reach in a destination with 2 additional business days. We are so sorry that your order did not reach you within the committed time frame. We gone ahead and issued a refund for expedited shipping on your order as an extended apology for the issue. Please allow 7 to 12 business days for the refund to return to your account. So let's see if I even get the refund, because so far it ain't looking too good for you, ColourPop. But then, why now? So they keep responding to just one thing as opposed to... So I responded back to them again saying, like, why do you guys keep having selective response? Like, respond back to everything. How does somebody complain about X, Y, Z all in one paragraph? You keep responding back to X. Now you're responding back to Y. But what about the Z? Respond back to everything. So I just emailed them again now saying like what is going on? I just said that I didn't get my mega mystery bundle, and they still have not responded back to me. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm really upset that I'm getting this poor customer service on there and about like what's going on with my boxes. Nevertheless, like I said, I did the unboxing not too long ago, and then I realized the audio wasn't on, so now I have to film this again. What I learned from this box is, at least it is a mystery box in a sense that, this was totally different. Everything in here was totally different from the box that I received previously, the CP Confidential box that I received previously. There's no dupes of anything. So I do like that, like, everything was different and they're not sending or curated boxes all of the same things. So I'm excited because now I have 2 of literally, like, everything. For example, I got this ColourPop blush in Georgette. It's like a coral color. And I got like a burgundy one in my first box. So now I get to try out a little bit of everything. And not just one color. I have 2 colors to try from. Like I said in my last unboxing, the only thing I had from ColourPop was like 5 palettes and like a lip liner. So I really didn't have anything from ColourPop, so that's why I felt like it would be a good idea to get these boxes, because you really can, you know, try a lot from a brand from these boxes, and it's supposed to be a good value, unless you get gypped like me and get promised a $200 box and it's only a $100 value. But that's the first thing I got. I love the color. This is beautiful. I definitely will wear this coral color, so I love that. I got another brush, so now I have 2 of these brushes. The next thing I got is a shimmer dry oil from Sol. This is their sister company in Mai Tai. This is beautiful. I love like this color. The other one I got was like more of a champagne color, so I'm super excited for that. I got a watermelon face milk. The one that I got was in the previous box was the oatmeal one, so I'm super excited to now try 2 different face milks from them. The next thing I got was a Basic Instinct eyeshadow. It looks like a bronzy color. It's really pretty. Will look great on my skin tone. So super excited for that. I got another Animal Crossing palette. In my other box, I got the purple one. This one is the pink one. That's what it looks like. If you guys want to see that box that I got previously, which was supposed to be the Mega Mystery Bundle, but it was a CP Mystery Bundle. If you want to get an idea of other things that you could get, because this box is totally different from the other one, I'll link that video down below. I got a beautiful, like a champagne, so juicy gloss. In the other color, I got like a brown one with no sparkle. So now I got to try one with sparkle, without. The next thing I got is a brown mascara. I did get the brown mascara in my other box. So, I'll hold on to this because I could use this in my kit. The next thing I got is a ColourPop lippy stick. This color is Sassy. It's like a brownish color. The other color I got was like a red one, so now I have a red and a brown one. The next thing I got is a lippy pencil in Filled Day. It looks like it's like, I don't know if this is a brown or plum. I don't know. Probably more plum. The next thing I got is another one of the, oh, actually, I think I did get, no, I didn't get this. This is a gel liner in Jubilee. I got one, it was a hot pink one. It was hot pink. This is like a fuchsia pink. So now I have 2 pink ones, which is pretty. And then I got like another sparkle shadow. The other one, I got a purple one, I guess to go with the purple palette. And this one is like a pinky one, I guess to go with the pinky palette. This is called Sweet and Sour Glitters. That's what it looks like. And that's everything. It was 12 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And that invoice said CP Confidential on it. So this one said CP Confidential. This one said Mega Mystery Box on it. And clearly when you get them, it can't be the same boxes if both boxes were 12 items and one was supposed to be a Mega Mystery Bundle. So clearly something went wrong, but they need to stop beating around the bush and do right by what they say. If they're going to give you something that's a $200 value, then you got to do right by the customer. So I don't know what's going on, but I hope they make it right and start giving me the runaround. Now there's nothing else for them to talk about. So now they have to get to what I was asking them as far as why, like what are they going to do about this whole mix-up business. So hopefully they do right by me. I'm just a little disappointed. Like I said, I do lots of makeup mystery unboxings on my channel, and some of them were pretty bad, but this was pretty much the icing on the cake. So ColourPop, I hope you do right by me, and let me know if any of you guys comment down below if you guys got the wrong box, like what's going on. I did see one girl, she had the same problem I had in one video where she got the mega bundle and her box was not even $100. So, and it's supposed to be a $200 value. So at least I know I'm not alone, but that's kind of sad to know that they're messing up that much. If I get you mess up with one person, but if other people have videos with the same problem, then you guys got to get it together, ColourPop. And I love ColourPop. I hate to say anything bad about any company, but I will always keep it 100 with my subscribers. I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm always going to keep it real. If something's not right, I'm going to say it, because I hate the YouTubers who are
oh, I love this. This is amazing.
And then when I buy it, it's trash. So I told myself when I start my channel, I'm always going to be upfront with my subscribers, because they want to know the truth. They want to know the tea, and I'm going to give you the tea on the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I have so many boxes that I have to film, and I'm supposed to be filming my, showing you guys where I store all my skincare, how I store it, an organizational video. But I gotta get my boxes out. I just got my FabFitFun box in the mail, and I got my Goddess Provision box. I got some PR stuff that came in the mail from some well-known makeup brands, which I was shocked when they reached out to me. But we'll get into that in other videos, so just stay tuned for my videos. I know I promised my skincare video in this week, but I really wanted to put this video out for you guys. I could have did that organizational video and show you how I organize my skincare, but I know you guys wanted to follow up with the ColourPop mystery box, so stay tuned. I'm going to film that next week, I promise, for real, for real, for real. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys all in my next video.